the Ghana government have clashed with Canada government for imposing traveling restriction on Thomas Partey. I say World Cup no, you go first game, you Panama, Canada, Toronto, BMO Field Sports Complex. But which I say, Thomas Partey into quite Canada crew. I'm a Ghana government, I clash with them. Now, Nkansah Lorenzo no, I can't see me after Thomas Partey, as a own tiro tia, a bebuana. It doesn't quite a cost of Mohano as host. But you do I'm watching as you know, the wide in the area, mamma, our comment section. I PENYAH blocking the best way I say, Nidium. Or like if you are down about subscribe button, somebody can keep notification connected. Up the somebody to the wide in the mamma, our comment section. Obaswa, not sure for PENYAH Biash. Also, for social media, be a honor at PENYAH blocking the actually quite not a full year. Now, let's go to the conversation. On him say, if I wake up, air coso. I'm a Ghana, yes, so enche na boy next week. One day the me 17th June 2026 year. And Panama, ABC can Toronto, Canada Mountains. That is BMO Field Sports Complex. And boy first opening match in the FIFA 2026 World Cup against Panama. Now your group L, as a group L, no teams ni be England, Croatia, Panama, as any other teams. And Ghana, we are actually preparing towards the Wednesday match na edianim yene Panama. I say your squad your men your mrantin ngakobabo no Thomas Partey and their captain on a captain ban no ebono Friday, that is 12 June 2026 and by say omo abobo mo no every Ghana hanom atukwai akodru US Montreal. So that is Rhode Island ama eho and they said oma for me camp omo omo training. Omo final training ahead of the game against Panama. Now that time, now anyway, I said there was another post and air fly on the internet. I posted an air fly and said Canada for extra Thomas Partey my channel traveling restriction. Say on to me omo man kwan e ma ne ntu kwan e ma Canada hon because I can say your first game against Panama no. You be born no BMO Sports Complex, Toronto, Canada. E hon e go akobon ye ne Panama. But the entire also tells Thomas Partey into Kama Honomo. Obekai. Thomas Partey Obano go found the UK no. Actually said there's been a sexual assault, any rape or the rape, any sexual assault case at to Partey. So I'm a Partey any state no home manson our court. UK Montana so the case required June 8th June 2027. How determine the final state of the case. Now, Canada for our traveling, that is almost immigration visa restriction be. Almost just back when I say, Obia internationally, your name say our criminal record no. Yam permitted man to quite Emma Honomo. Forgetting what you are coming to do. Say you are known. Say internationally no. Our criminal record. Yam ma own to quite Canada. Next I say Thomas Partey no. UK. Because of rape and sexual assault case na a court na yenyan kanwe Canada for say no qualify say international no or criminal record e je omum permit no emma ntu kwa emma Canada ho what I say Wednesday day ni no match na kwakobo no Thomas Partey o mobi ama we e bia in fact na even annual Saturday kra no na Thomas Partey ni birthday ama Black Sharif eko ho no mo kra any boys no eko vibe no boys no pop champagne Edman as omu ejebeti no in fact they wish Thomas Partey a happy birthday to you. I was assuming a baby Ruja, cause your captain Wakope, your match. Omni chance Obama Emma FIFA crab can be still kind of for air chance FIFA rules, but yes, so as or minor, you rules in the FIFA Jinan chain and for FIFA 7 Emma Hanomo, yes, Rawada, Jinan China ya apply you rules governing this country. Thomas Partey, your man took Emma Canada goes our criminal record internationally. Now, and so when I air course one, and no, and Ghana government, as I said, there be no bonus, so it also issue press statement. 10 it is coming from Office of Duah, Foreign Affairs Ministry, or could to Nkansah at the chassis. Where any small today, only cut by 13 June Saturday, 13 June 2026. Government of Ghana statement on the refusal of Canadian visa to Mr. Thomas Partey. Yankin Kabi, the government of the Republic of Ghana expressing strong reservation following the high-handed and extremely unfair decision by Canada to refuse a temporary residence application to Thomas Partey, a Ghanaian national and key member of Ghana's senior national football team, the Black Stars, which is participating in the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Yes, sir. Yeah, who is a moke can say Thomas Partey World Cup na a dear Nimunaka, you have a first match, you ne Panama, mukro, much as a moment name a honomo. For this short term, Yanka, you have a game. Much as a woman name a honomo. Now, there's something I with this Kyei. The decision is understood to be based on pending criminal proceedings in the United Kingdom that have not resulted in any conviction or judicial finding of guilt. As it, so me tell and no, because Canada, or more, Bibia, or Modibo, or more. Refugees and immigration recession law. I believe took about many more. What I say, it and one Ghana government, submission concerning that. The Ghana government reaffirms the fundamental legal principles of the presumption of innocence, a cornerstone of justice and due process in democratic society. As I said, case in the rape and sexual assault case now against Thomas Partey in UK. They are said. Yeah, and to want me for way against it is alleged. Allegation will be raised against Thomas Partey. Call to be a muano. It won't make us say when our criminal record. He is proven innocent. He is innocent. Yeah, catch them. Oh, yeah, innocent man. Yeah, proven guilty. It's while respecting Canada's sovereign right to enforce its immigration laws, Ghana considered their reliance on unproven charges in the absence of a judicial determination raises fundamental questions of fairness and what? Proportionality. Accordingly, Ghana is pursuing active diplomatic engagement with the relevant Canadian authorities on this matter. On June 11, 2026, the Foreign Ministry of Ghana dispatched an official note of protest to Global Affairs Canada. The note also requested that Canada review its unfortunate decision. I said, "Oh my track at 10, ah, much say, idea, Canadian government, omutu against Thomas Partey there. Omunchen sign, ma branch and quite because Siramoka say, or criminal record because of the rape and sexual assault allegation against him in UK, no, and into more general so at their channel, visa restriction there. And I say, and try money in the year. Because catch him say that case ground, and it's just a mere allegation. You fix the to June 2028. And the got now, and say, 1 year ahead. 81 years, you tell me case no. On your guilty. And the other ain't a moody way, and now so me and munyai na enyefe. Yes, mother, munyai na. You're no more going to diplomatic terms. Munyai cause all met now on just short term, a temporary. When it's the match new year, but because the subsequent match against England and against Croatia, and everybody USA. Now, almost every crowd about one and was a Nkansah win. As I call PMU, one of the TV station, one of the radio stations, I can't interview because on you say you're signing as a high sense ambassador. I want to say when you're dreaming, say Ghana Blasters, you're winning cup, no.
Mr. Daye, not Blasters, you're winning World Cup.
Also, Daye,
yes. They can't watch him. Now, so they're not, you're doing World Cup, and we are not for air dance, Ghana jubility. I wish you'll be a time, Hassans, good as Hassans. Say Hassans when I sponsor the program. I'm a Ghana for a World Cup. Sky, I do it. There's time, Ghana. You be doing winning. Me check Ghana, Basta just that. Munka away.
Me who's a wish be.
First time,
I say, Zebina Shawi, obey fair, and a high sense no go any more come.
And you could be about from Shimby. Papa, see you. Should I not want a born blaster for winning? When I sponsor it. Okay, then the bay. But the way be asked you, Copeka open, no coto, ne brand home. Just promote her sense. And the work up on the Ghana for me now, and one who has a seal.
Wow.
Let me see that.
Wow.
Ghana for you now, we say Ghana could be by me. Enemy has for their say. Ghana will win this World Cup 2026. And as I did, you so could tell me say, ever since so. Of course. First, second, third, Ghana and 3 what that. First, second, third, Ghana and 3 what that.
So say wouldn't say any Panama,
yes,
and England,
yes,
and Croatia, and Ecosia. And to your group, no, they are okay. So you did first and you did second, could have qualified. But group Nkansah, group stage, you know. Ghana was some fun. I first, I go second, first game. Not just a new group stage as some cry. Yeah, track crowd, you could find out.
Where is the winner? Okay, over last time, last yes. So you saw Lesha. Who's a Kyei?
Ochen was South African. As a more young year. 2010, says you're 2016 years in it.
I think you're going to salvate a beam. Second is a time. It's our first group, you know. 3 match, 2 match, you're very in it. 1 match, you will do.
Okay, so Ghana and Panama, Ghana, Croatia, Ghana, England. You're very winning, you know. Panama, boy, you want to be Chadi at 17 for me. Chadi 70 at 2. You're best show. You're Panama.
Airdress, 2 na can airness.
Croatia, England, you're best in the
See, this is Panama, they are. Next match, you're best second, third match,
and a draw. Meaning, you're just 7 points. Made what's the idea at all. Now, go to make I want so.
Yes, it's a second and Nibia Ghana Blasters and say a house no to connect chess. Ready any idea. Your task money and Blasters for.
Okay.
And you do too. Forget it. Selection about one thing. A month of Moby say, prepare beyond and then when you need when we be at tea. But it's don't mind the body.
Mind the engine.
The
engineer strong.
The boy is boy beer.
That's just like my young Ghana resources so far. But only a young team in it. As a team, no better me aqua, baby, and my Ghana. You okay, dear sanity. Fanny much beyond my for serious. I'm telling you. The Abu Bonina. I grow, tea.
boys ni bobo Ghana ha I swear
Kwadwo asa wogidi yeso na aka sanso so wa hoden ene amanfo join your life e wo Facebook na be hwe senia Kwadwo Nkansah Lewen e kwanya wa fa so a waka ne nsem no Kwadwo tobu ase aya blafem boko Kwadwo blafem
Ghana will win this World Cup. Ghana will win this World Cup. I'm telling you, I swear to God.
Kwadwo say
yo KWADW. Also Kwadwo you ma pi because when the KU you say the KOFI KOJO meaning the KWADW Kwadwo Kwadwo tintin bi aya oh what's the media Kwadwo tintin Kwadwo titia ente Kwadwo Nkansah KWADW NKANSAH Kwadwo Nkansah as a LILWIN
and the two niggas
and the block now and also okay package ya high sense de magana for manage football ya na enyende high sense ma package magana for biribi ese World Cup point na high sense package promotion and we promotion dem blacks Ghana for akọso de bia what transfers the month we any promotion for high on air condition there be Nkuma TV na de 1000 mra funu be nya bere ento nsine dem eti World Cup we high sense promotion from there to say bosumi ending ana ewiase nyina no high sense and sponsor World Cup we say me no ka say FIFA empenifo ahun say o ma wa kan say say many ambassador be put World Cup on Ghana Africa say ewiase de ebeje bi di bobo na chi na ma hwebo na re amna powerful ba o shemu o Ghana mu say World Cup we ye be di nkonim ade yankopon hira Ghana mada Ghana e oba tampa intine nyina fa oba tan sunu gbe mu na yen support blasters na has enim enkoso emanyam o Ghana na you matter what Ghana will win this World Cup at least first second third day inshallah
and Adom
oh yankopon onyamedi for so abompaye dey ama say yanko fa dance da enti jesu emode bo ene bebam ti Ghana foni anfa mode monitor blasters nechi press nechi say nkodi nkunim na you do semi final be say first second third how na yigina yes ebe win it
okay Kwadwo Nkansah le win na twin komo no brand ambassador am high sense Ghana
ha say Kwadwo dream no elson pa oh Kwadwo dream no ya dream keto no dream no elson pa yi na Kwadwo abekasa concerning Thomas Partey and say we kire mu say on do no so hwe ade a Thomas Partey enamu na ya emoya pa emoya no do ka che Thomas Partey say omo modin anko hu Philadelphia bofo papa Stephen Adom chebia onko hu anaso do pa efi na ekoye ngosi Wednesday no on tatin hwe papa e wo team so keke na ni problem ni na be solve
ema Thomas Partey boy no wabere yo nan bia no sano seba enso we etu bia yen shi ni nkran I want to say enu Canada for editing no say omodina say oman nko onwo ni bi sano seba e meka nyan say won shi ni sapo munsu bibia e wona mere yo nan mu no obe kese abambu se pe asai won shi ni nkran e meka on penya medi for adun chedua on app no so won hwe keke just 1 week to more no wo won hwe keke won che na sem nyame be na firi na mbia mu ya wese no happy birthday to Thomas Partey yankopon hia no omna pomoden enkwatenten eni akoma pa ni gidie confidence of a man so hono anko ba other countries aka no bowuram abo bibini benya ko won tena chiri na nkwa nkobi mpo osonya kobi mpo ande ni sika na sabaka obesa abubo ni bi Thomas ye nyina akamfo Thomas ade ntia issue aba ni nyina nkanachi ye wen kam so mele fia na tapi ye nyina so ntia kana fo no
okay
senya right ebunne sa din se hu bunne yes ya se ge beka se chinchira ye beka mfo no kwampo se Ghana ye fo se how nemu no enkoso Yaminti boy no be film.
Amen.
Obe film.
O just say
Kwadwo ye dia video group. Kwadwo ye ni abere yo. Kwadwo ye ni abere. Kwadwo ye ni video. Ye ni abere. Ye ni abere Kwadwo. Kwadwo ye ni abere. Kwadwo tira Thomas Partey. On help papa to use keke. On search papa on the phones no help papa keke. The problem no it don't solve. Why do you say? Chirema me comment section ho na mo. Aha yi PENYAH Block Media. Agra.